Understanding Tabulate Data, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful and common phrase in the English language, especially in academic and professional settings. We're going to explore what it means to tabulate data. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about English phrases, this video will clear up any confusion you might have. Firstly, let's break down the word tabulate. It comes from the word table, which you might know as the furniture piece. But in this context, table refers to a set of data or information organized in rows and columns. So, to tabulate means to arrange data into a table or a systematic arrangement. This is often done to make the information easier to read, understand, and analyze. Why do we tabulate data? Tabulating data is crucial because it helps in organizing large amounts of information in a way that is easy to understand and analyze. It is particularly important in fields like research, business, and science, where decisions are often based on the analysis of complex data sets. Tabulating data might sound complicated, but it's quite simple. Here's a basic guide. 1. Collect your data. Gather all the information you need. 2. Choose your table format. Decide how many rows and columns you will need. 3. Label your columns and rows. This is important for clarity. 4. Fill in your data. Enter your data into the appropriate cells. 5. Review and adjust. Make sure your table is clear and accurate. Let's look at some examples. If you're doing a survey on favorite fruits, you can tabulate the data by listing the fruits in one column and the number of people who like each fruit in another. This makes it easy to see which fruit is the most popular. And that's it. You now know what it means to tabulate data and how to do it yourself. It's a skill that's incredibly useful in many areas of life and work. I hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident in your understanding of this common English phrase. Happy tabulating, and see you in the next video.